Hi guys, in today's video we're going to look at what are ions, how to predict ionic charge, molecular ions, and finally an exam style question.
What is an ion? An ion is an atom or a molecule with a net charge. Now this charge can be either positive or negative. And this positive or negative charge is formed through the loss or gain of electrons. Now first of all, let's have a look at loss of electrons. So if I had an element, generic element over here, and it underwent a process to lose an electron, it would become changed element. Now we know that balancing in our equations is incredibly important. So let's balance the charges. On the left hand side we can see there are no charges on our element, but on our right hand side our electron is producing a negative charge. Therefore we must have a positive charge on our element to balance it out. So losing electrons produces positive ions. Let's have a look at what happens when we gain an electron. So again, we have our generic element over here. This time, the electron is on the left-hand side of the equation as we are adding it. Again, our element becomes changed. And when we go to balance our equation, we have a negative charge on this side produced by our electron. So we must balance it with the negative charge on this side, forming a negative ion. Now different elements will form different ions and tend to form different ions. So we can predict the charges that will form. Let's have a look at how. So here we have a periodic table, which you should be very familiar with. And we should see that the periodic table can give us information about the number of electrons in all the elements. Here we can see hydrogen has 1, helium 2, lithium 3, and so on and so forth. So let's just take a moment to think back to what we know about electron shells. We know that electron shells fill with 2 in the first shell, 8 in the following shell, 8 in the following shell, following the same pattern with 8 in every shell after that. We'll go into electron shells in a little further detail later on.
Hey guys, to continue watching this video and unlock hundreds of other super concise and exam board specific A-level chemistry videos, click the button. Join me today and together let's make A-level chemistry a walk in the park.